the man himself. No, focus mo to sa buhay-buhay sa Amerika came all the way to Bungabon, Nueva Ecija to honor the man, the legend himself, ating God Armando Ro.
I think that is...
It is our honor po to give you the first
thank you so much.
recognition of Buhay-Buhay sa Amerika on its 8th year anniversary.
Thank you.
You're the first one I am giving for this year.
Salamat,
This
salamat
honor
po. Very,
Because-
very honored.
Because of the love that you have given to our country in promoting culture, the arts, and especially the life stories of Bungabon, Nueva Ecija,
Yes.
Sibuyas, farmers, and the one who gave birth to
Sibuyas Festival.
Sibuyas Festival. It is an honor po to recognize and meet you in person.
Same feeling here,
Yeah,
madam.
thank you so much
Okay.
po. So, everybody, if you haven't seen Bungabon, make sure you visit Giron Botanics of Bungabon, Nueva Ecija and meet the legend himself because this is a true experience. Everyone
Too much.
feel. Thank you so much po.
Salamat po,
God
salamat
bless
po.
you.
Sobra-sobra sa...
I did not bring a certificate of appreciation.
That's okay.
But I
That's okay.
bring myself
Yes,
to
in
stay
person.
In person.
Yes.
Thank you so much. We really admire your passion and your dedication to bring great culture and appreciation for our country. Thank you,
Yeah.
Alex.
Everywhere.
Yeah.
Everywhere.
Kapis nun.